Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall, and me, Ollie Owl. Thanks for being here. Thanks for flying in, Ollie. Everyone, can you read the learning target with Ollie? Here we go. I can identify specific sounds and words. Great job. Ollie, will you tell the students what we're going to do first today? Oh, yes. We're going to play Give Me Five. That's right. I'm going to say a word. You're going to try to come up with 5 words that rhyme with my word. Are you ready to give it a try? Here's our first word. Jump. Say jump. Can you think of 5 words that rhyme with jump? I'm ready. Are you, Ollie? Everyone, listen along with Ollie's words and see if you have any of the same words that rhyme with jump. Bump, lump, pump, clump, and plump. Great job, Ollie. Those did rhyme with jump. Did any of you have the same words? Super job. For our next activity, we are going to identify the first sound we hear in words. I'll say the word, then you'll tell me what the first sound is. Here we go. Thumb. What's the first sound? Good job. Shovel. What's the first sound? Shh. Good job. Shh. Chimney. What's the first sound? Ch. Good job. Ch. Whistle. What's the first sound? Oh, good job. Ooh. Let's do one more word. Chair. What's the first sound? Ch. Good job. Ch. Awesome job identifying the first sound you hear in words. Now it's time for us to get our choppers out. Ollie and I are going to chop all the sounds in a word. When Ollie does this, you're going to put those sounds together to say what our word is. Listen carefully. R and ch. Wrench. S, I, k. S. Sixth. B, sh. Brush. K, sh. Crash. Sh. Flash. Let's do one more word. Each. Teach. Great job putting all the sounds and words together to make a word. You guys did do a great job. You're doing such a good job helping Ollie. Thank you very much. Now for our next activity, we're going to work on identifying the middle sound we hear in a word. I'm going to stretch out a word, and Ollie's going to fly up in the air during the middle sound. You're going to listen for that sound and then say what it is. Listen carefully. And what's the middle sound? Oh, good job. Ah. D. I. What's the middle sound? I. That's right. I. Ob. What's the middle sound? Oh, good job. Ah. Let's do one more. T. What's the middle sound? Good job. Awesome job identifying the middle sound in the word. You're really good at that, Ollie. Thank you very much. All right, now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word and then chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here we go. Say that. Now chop that. at. Good job. Say show. Now chop show. Sh. Oh, good job. Say chase. Now chop chase. Ch. A. S. Good job. Say wheels. Now chop wheels. W. E. O. Z. Great job breaking words down into all of their sounds. Now for our next activity, we're going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to change. And when I go like this, you'll say what our new word is. Are you ready? Here's our first word. Say beg. Change B to M. Meg. Say Meg. Change M to L. Leg. Say leg. Change L to P. Peg. Say neck. Change N to P. Peck. Say peck. Change P to Ch. Check. Let's do one more. Say check. Change Ch to R. Wreck. Awesome job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. Now we are going to start by saying the rhyme of a word, which is the ending chunk. I'll tell you the first sound to add, and when I do this, you'll put it together and say our word. Listen carefully. Say is. Add w. Whiz. Say erd. Add th. Third. Say air. Add sh. Share. Say ash. Add k. Cash. Let's do one more word. Say L. Add sh. Shell. Great job adding the first sound of a word onto a rhyme and saying what our new word is. For our next activity, we'll say a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. And when I go like this, you're going to say the sound that's left. The rhyme of the word that's left. Here we go. Say north. Say it without n. Orth. Say charm. Say it without ch. Arm. Say thirst. Say it without th. Erst. Say whisk. Say it without w. Isk. Let's do one more word. Say beach. Say it without b. Each. Great job. Oh, Miss Ho, can we do another Give Me 5? Oh, yes, we can. I'm glad you asked. Are you ready to make 5 rhyming words with my word? All right. Here's our word. Rug. Try to think of 5 words that rhyme with rug. Are you ready? Okay, get ready to give me 5. Bog, tug, lug, mug, hug. Those are my words that rhyme with rug. Great job, Ollie. Did anyone have any of the same words? That's fantastic. I love doing Give Me 5, and I love joining you all for sounds and words. Thanks for coming in, and we'll see you all again next time. Goodbye, friends.